In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to build a door in Turok. Doors are a very simple trigger event that require very little setup compared to something like a moving pillar. First, we will build an area where we can put a door. So right now, as you can tell, I've already set this up beforehand. Now there's a lot of different kinds of doors that you can use in Turok. So the easiest thing to do is to copy an existing door, from a different map. Now this map, which was made by Smoke 39, has every single mesh, as well as doors or other interactable items in the game. The link will be in the video description. There we go. There you are. So for this tutorial, what I did was copy this particular one, but you can use pretty much any door or any actor in this map, with the exception of the ones that, for instance, this wall, which is a smashable wall. Okay, we're gonna reopen our map. Once you copy and paste the door you wanna use, the first thing you wanna do is line it up where you wanna put it. So, for instance, I've already set them up where I want them. So now we move on to step 2. The next step, once you have built your area, is to set up the nav mesh. The very first kind of door that I'm gonna be showing you how to make is gonna be a door that opens when you kill an enemy. So for that, I'm gonna start building the nav mesh. For this, close. Oh, it's already fixed. All right. There we go. Now that we have built our nav mesh for our door, what we need to do is go to properties, flags, and then tick the event and block flag. The event flag will tell the game that there's something that needs to be triggered, while the block flag will stop the player from facing through the door. The next thing we want to do is go back to actor edit and then assign or choose an enemy that is going to be the target that you need to kill to open the door. In this case, it's going to be this raptor. Properties. Where is here we go. So for this guy, I'm going to give it a really low health value, just for this example. The next thing you want to do is change the target DID. So for this tutorial, it's gonna be 1. Press OK. Next, we go and select our door. Go to Properties, General, and then find the DID value and change it to 1. Now, this raptor and this door are linked together. So now we save and test our map. Okay. And now we wait. There we go. Oh. Right now I can't get across this door because I had to kill this raptor first. There we go. Once this raptor is dead, I can get across. And that's it. That is the simplest door to set up. Now, the second type of door that you can set up is a door that opens when the player steps on a sector. So once again, we build our sectors. 4, 5, and 6. Actually, let me read this. So we build our sectors, and And we're set. Yep, we're set. Now we go and select the sectors where the we select the sectors where the door is. Go to properties. Same thing as with that we did before. Block an event. Press OK. I want to turn this a little there. There we go. Now the sectors on the front are gonna tell the game to open the door for us. So what we're gonna do now is go to properties and then give it an argument value of 2. For this tutorial, it's gonna be 2. Then we just select the event. We just tick the event flag. Okay. We go back to actor edit, select our actor, and then go to general and give it a target, a TID value of 2. Press OK, and we save. Now we test. There we go. Now, let me show you the collision. Once I step on these sectors, the door should automatically open. And there we go. And very simple thing. Very simple thing. Now, what if you wanted to make this door open and close by itself? For that, what we need to do is change its attack chance and the health value. The health value is gonna tell the game how long the door is gonna remain open. So a value of 2, that means it's gonna be open by for 2 seconds. A value of 10, it means it's gonna be open for 10 seconds. A value of 1, it means it's gonna be open for 1 second, and so on. So for this, we're gonna give it a value of 2. Attack chance tells the game how fast the door will open. So for this, we're gonna use a value of 2. This is 2 or 3 is the usual value the game usually handles. So then we just change that and we save. We test. Let me show you again. Show collision. There we go. Once I step in there, the game opens the door for me, and then you just wait. And now the door is locked. I can't get across. It no longer lets me on. Quit the game. Now, if you wanted to make the door open and close from both sides, all you have to do is just build your sectors like so. So have 1, 2, 3, and 4. In total, you're gonna be using 6 sectors, or maybe more, depending on how you set up your sectors. But this is a really simple thing. So on this side, what I'm gonna do is go to properties, give it an argument value of 2, and then just an event. And that's it. It's essentially, these 2 sectors are now just a copy of these sectors. So we save. Yes, and now we play. Okay, we wait. Now the door opens. We wait for it to close. There it goes. It's closed now. Now I can get across. And that's how you set up this door. Now the final type of door that you can set up is a door that opens when you press a switch. This one requires the help of one additional thing, which is gonna be our switch actor. So we set up our, first things first, we set up our sectors again. Okay, that way. We set up our sectors like we did before. Enable. We give them a block flag and an event flag. That's it. Next. On these sectors are gonna be set up the same way we did with the like we did before. So we got a properties, argument value. This time we change it to 3 because it's gonna be linked to a different door, and then we give it an event flag. There we go. Now that's set up. Now we go back to actors, and well, actually, let me show you. We add an actor, movers, mover door. Right there you go. Now this is essentially the same actor that is right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to set this guy up. Once you have inserted this into your map, what you need to do is go to properties, disable the solid flag. You want to disable this, otherwise you're not gonna be able to activate it. Then go to general, give it a TID value of 3, which is gonna be linked with the sector as well as this door, and that's it. Now all I need to do is just line it up with the sectors. Essentially, there you go. Now, you want to line up your actors, your event actors, with your you want to set up your actors and your events, everything. You want to line up your actors with your event settings just right. Otherwise, things might break. So this is gonna work. Now, what we need to do is select our door, go to properties, general, and then assign it the TID value of 3. Then press OK. We gotta save, go back, say yes, and we test. There we go. Now we got a switch. We've set up a switch and a door. Now, what if you wanted this door to close after a certain amount of time? Well, you do the same that you did right here. You select your door actor, go to properties, change the attack chance, which is gonna be how fast it's gonna open, and you change the health value, which is gonna be how long it's gonna stay open once it's fully open. So for this, we're gonna give it a value of 2. As for this guy, the switch, what you're gonna do is do the same. AI properties, attack chance, we're gonna give it an attack chance of 2, and at the health value of 3. No, health value of 2. Let me check. Yeah, a health value of 2. So essentially, what you wanna do is you wanna have the attack chance and the health value of both these sectors be the same. So now we go, save, and yes. Now we test. Now the doors should open, and it should close in just a couple of seconds. There we go. Now that's it. That's how we set up this door. Now if you wanted to add another switch on this side to also open this door, then what you can just do is select the switch. Let me select the switch. Let me select the switch. There we go. Oh, there we go. You select the switch that you wanna set up, you wanna use. You copy it, and then you just paste it. Hang on. And then you move the switch that you just copied. You move it where you wanna set up your other switch. So in this case, it's gonna be right here. Let me delete this. Oh, it's not. Oh, whatever. Once you got your switch set up, what you need to do is just complete the finish up your sectors where it is. And what we're gonna do is do the same thing we did with the other sectors, which is give it an argument value of 3 and an event flag. That's it. We go and save, and we test. And there you have it. Now it's gonna be letting me go across, but it's no longer letting me through unless I hit the switch again. There you go. And there you have it. That's how you set up a really simple door actor in Turok. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.